fundamental. But music is a great example, specifically in the process of practicing. Practice is a habitual, systematic, and logical process to achieve an objective in a proficient and effective way.
I need to think about how I'm going to raise the stakes in that room, from the moment I walk in to the moment I walk out.
It's all about key behaviors and values, but man, is that a good litmus test. That's the power of storytelling.
Being around people that were so good at their jobs inspired me in a way to want to be even better at my job.
Everybody is so bright and everyone brings lots of fresh perspectives.
I love that we get together, problem solving, people are bringing challenges, they're showing cool things that they've done.
Everybody's ready to share and be open, and they're ready for fresh voices on how to solve.
How do we take not just current processes and sort of use AI to do them, but how do we break those processes apart, think about the ideal customer outcome, and then design a workflow in AI to deliver that?
But for everything we do, it's not always our client-facing work, but it's how we go about things, it's our attitude, it's how we interact with each other. These are a guide for that.
One of my favorite sessions of the summit was key behaviors. I think that it was great to really align on the ways we want to show up for each other and show up for our clients every day. It was really nice to work together to build this shared language around the expectations we have for ourselves and for our work. And we're going to be able to leave the summit and, work on these things weekly and monthly and really make sure we're holding ourselves to the high standards that we've set in place.
It's the idea that we can be better as a team, our clients can be better, our clients can do better, and it's a fundamentally hopeful, positive way to look at the world from a growth mindset perspective.
So the energy here today at the summit is immaculate.
Largest company summit I've ever been to. The company's direction with AI, that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm so excited with it, how it's going to evolve in the future, the inputs we're going to make with AI. So that's the most exciting part of it.
This summit has been amazing. I actually get to, a little bit to know each other. If you get to know somebody a little bit, it's a lot easier to solve problems together.
Yeah.